ban this guy. So many freaking people, it's so annoying. Alright, so many people trying to scam people in here. We'll get rid of them all. Alright guys, welcome. Alright guys, welcome. Alright guys, welcome. Alright, so we got that. Alrighty, so we're gonna go. Wow, SES has just made a massive move. That conference that leading up to March 17th event was amazing. I'm glad I held for that. Perfect catalyst. Definitely something you want to hold for, okay? Alright, so we're coming into SPY. Had a nice move up here at this 845 candle. We're gonna look at Forex Factory to make sure there's nothing going to hinder our credit spreads today. So we had retail sales, core retail. We don't really have anything, guys, today other than 10 a.m. yellow folders. Nothing to worry about. So Hale, we played SES in the Discord. I'm still holding it. As you can see, SES is going up massive. Let's get going. Posted that in the Discord. If you were in the Discord, you're making bank on SES. Very nice alert there. If you're not in the Discord, you're always welcome to join. Literally 55 cents a day if you want to join. We're chilling here, JF Remix, Jaw 709. We can look at SPCE. SPCE. While we're going to, I always look at the day trade chat. Yeah, it looks like it's rejecting on that EMA 10. We'll see what happens. It's 55 cents a day or 12 bucks a month for my full membership. Credits, I do day trades, swing trades, and all that. Now, live on Twitch. Yeah, it's pretty affordable. If you don't like it, you can cancel anytime. But that one alert from SES, I mean that's life changing right there. I trade anything: penny stocks, big caps, and credit spreads for my day trades. I think you guys are gonna like it. All right, so now live on Twitch. My main stream is Twitch, but I do stream on YouTube too, so you guys can see us. Yeah, a lot of my stuff I do dollar cost average because I know it is impossible to get the most precise bottom. So a lot of the stocks that are going against the trend, I do have like 3 to 4 dollar cost averages. Alright, guys. So we're now live. I'll post it right in here again. For the members. We'll cancel these up here. Boop, boop, and boop. Okay, so SPGRC one for Lace has been an absolute beast. It really has. It hit that weekly EMA 50, guys, and it's just been going up. Look at that. We're coming up into the $4 range. Yeah, it hit that. Yeah. Lace hit weekly EMA 50, and it just kept going. Thanks for the follow. Eternal. Hope I'm saying that right. Hey, Coco, Deathbringer, good morning. Welcome to the channel. Crypto JJ, thanks for the follow on Twitch. Arnaz is going to be one of my top alerts that I'm looking into too, okay? Sohail, that is going to be one of my top. Dietrich, thank you so much for the follow. And if you guys want to, you can subscribe for free on Twitch with your Amazon Prime. If you have both memberships, I am going to be doing one-on-one coaching if you still don't understand my swing trading strategy, my day trading strategy, possible indicator setups, how to use the indicators, and all that good stuff. You can subscribe for free, and you won't get any ads on Twitch, so it's a win-win for both. Next stop at 4.0. 4.0. How's it going, John? Alright, so we're going to stay in the day trade chat here and try to see what we're going to do here. Got the name pronounced? Wow. Yeah, honestly, that's really rare for me, to be honest. I got a message here. Dietrich. I didn't even try to do your last name because I probably screwed that one up. I would say your last Dietrich, I would say LeMade is what I would guess for the last one. LeMade. Jason Abrams, welcome to the chat. Are we waiting till the end of the day to add FNKO? FNKO is my top priority for larger price stock. Okay, we kind of shot down here a bit. The volume is not like tremendously good, but it's not bad either. We're looking at 1 million volume. Let's see right here. We opened up. We're getting nice room up to that EMA 5. My main thing is I need to turn on my KDJ. I turned that one off. I'm going to turn that KDJ on and kind of see what we're at. We're at a 2.11, guys. We're at a 2.11. 6.92. We made a new low. Do we keep going lower? That's the question. End of the day has always been my best ads. But I don't know if we're going to keep going lower on this one. This one is extremely oversold, in my opinion. FNKO. Other one is ADTX. But we don't have the time distance yet. ADTX, we're coming into 3 days away from the EMA 5, higher K value, and then the last one is RNAS. RNAS is coming with a 4.40 KE. We are down 6% with not much volume. We'll see if we pick up that volume again. But my safest play is going to be FNKO as of now. We are sitting at lots of EMA 5 TD and a low K value. So I'm going to tell people, hey, we're going to get into this FNKO here. I'm thinking about it. Because a lot of the times it goes down and then it shoots up. See, like right there. It just depends how much room we have up to this EMA 5. Right up in here is like a 7%. It's not like a ton, but it's something. I do like RNAS. We'll see what the volume picks up for today, guys. Okay, hit that 68 cents right in here. Wow. What do we have here for the news? Any news? We'll watch RNAS too, guys. Alright, guys, so for the credit spreads, we always usually get in around 10 o'clock. Usually that's the latest you can.
America's gonna.
Alright, look at my messages here. Semi accept. All right, looks like it had a nice bounce up there. Wow, might have missed it. Oh yeah, if you guys want to join the Discord, type !Discord, and you guys can always get into. So we're watching that. Looks like everything's kind of pumping up here a bit. Whoa. All right, what do we see on SPY? The first thing I see is a 30-minute EMA 50 acting as strong support and a 15-minute EMA 50. Right here's your top and bottom so far. We'll expand this as time goes. Guys, 1 second. So, what do we got here? Oh my gosh, SPY. What are we up on the day? We're up $2. That looks like TTD's gonna be pumping then. Yep, TTD. Did I miss Funko? It was a very fast pump and dump on Arnaz. So Arnaz, you're looking at a K value of 4. I don't like biotech stocks. That's the thing. I can't stand biotech stocks just based on LGMK. It's just been absolutely garbage. Not really a fan of biotechs. They've been absolutely miserable. All right, SES is coming to new highs here. We'll see if we break out of the 66 cents. Right here on that EMA 20. I'm going to take some more off. TDD. What a nice opening here. All right, guys, it's coming up into 9:45. We're going to have our opening range. It is rather massive. Look at that massive opening range. Holy moly. Man, that's insane. What do you do against that? That's a big opening range. 1 hour chart, we have very big bullish price action on the 1 hour. Everything's bullish on the EMAs, so it's hard to bet against this. I am not going against the trend. It's hard to get a nice stop loss if you go against the trend. Mimi, thanks so much for the follow. Much love. Let me type this in. Howdy, Billy. Okay. Replying to some people here, guys. All right. Let's go on Twitter here. I was in KULR. I actually got out break even. Kind of funny, right when it skyrockets up. All right, as expected, ADTX is going to drop after a reverse split. Looking for a lower K value. I need to focus on my SPY trade though. That is a big opening range candle. We are up 0.48% on that opening range. It's a rather big one. Breaking out to the upside might be a little hard to do. Man, that's... How do you look to play that is the question, guys. Man, EMA 10 rejection most likely. It's not really up. Like, I don't know. I would take some off Mimi. I just took some more off of SES. I'm just trailing, stopping it. You know, I'm scaling, Min I'm up. I took my first position, some size off at 10%. I'm up another 20%. My remainder of the shares are up like 40% too right now. So I'm just going to keep trailing and stopping it. I know, I think I reiterated, if you're in the chat, they had that NVIDIA conference today. So you have a catalyst and an oversold type of chart on SES. You don't see those often. So when I see them, I'm going to pound the table on it. I know a lot of people probably didn't get in SES, but if you did, congrats. Any pennies have a good setup? I joined the Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna watch for some pennies. I'm in RNAS right now. I'm not in RNAS. I'm watching RNAS, ADTX. I'm just really wary of the there we go. We broke that 66 cents, but it hit that upper Keltner channel. I would definitely take some off here, guys. Hold some at break even. Stop loss is going to be if we break this low here, and which is under this EMA 50. Hey, Pierre. Huh? To where?
Dr. Gerton.
Oh, what time are you leaving?
10.
Oh, yeah, I guess I can come. I didn't know we had an appointment. All right, guys. Dang, how do you play that? That's probably the biggest opening range candle I've seen in a while. That's really big. Archer Aviation going good. Was sell off a little. Hitting the 15-minute HER4. 30-minute. It's so freaking bullish. I wonder if I should play in the middle of the orb. I wonder if I should. Arnaz, what kind of volume do you have? It kind of died out on volume, but it's still going good. TTD's shooting up to the moon here. Hopefully it keeps going. I need this thing to... I got cover calls, so hopefully that thing just keeps going. I'm tired of watching that one. I want to focus more on day trades. Appreciate it, Swid. Yeah, so we got a conflict of interest here. We have one, we hitting an upper Keltner channel. Could reject here. Going and doing bear calls would be kind of nuts. I just don't see this doing bear calls. Breaking this lower orb. I just don't see that. GBG Chills, thanks for the follow. I just don't see it doing bear calls. That's a big candle down. Yeah, it's definitely puts. All of my time frames. We had 15-minute puts here, bull puts there. So we're not like this would be our second day, I guess. I don't know, guys. I'm more thinking like if we go to the middle of this orb, maybe I can do bull puts. I just don't see us, worst case scenario, yeah, we got the 30-minute acting as support. I just don't know. Because if I get in way above this upper Keltner channel when it breaks out, it can be kind of risky too. So it's kind of a hard call to make. I need to look at my option chain. I need to see how far out can I go. How far out can I go if I do bull puts? I either need it to just hurry up and make the orb, or come back down and I'll make a support trade on this EMA 5. That's what I need to do. Either come back down, SPX. All right, actually, since everyone's new in this channel, probably AJ Drake, thank you so much for the follow. Go to SPX, guys. Go to SPX. Here's going to be your lines. Go to options, and let's click vertical up in here. Make sure you're on vertical. I'm going to look at bull puts, so make sure you're on puts. You don't want to look into calls. It's definitely an uptrend idea. So when I'm looking at bull puts, I'm looking for as close as possible to 20 cents. Like you see right here, this is the bid on 0. Not going to get filled on this strike. So 52.25, 52.30. Let's try 53.35. Nope. 53.35. Let's try 55.40. Nope. 55.50 maybe. Nope. 55.55. That one's looking closer actually. So I'm looking at 55.50. Maybe 55.55. This is a hard one. Let's see what the chart's doing. Okay, so it's looking like bull puts right away, but good freaking grief. I hate going against the Keltner channel. How do you play that? That's weird. It's a weird play to trade. Alright, so bull puts. It's not really much premium. You can tell they're not letting us go too far out of the money. They're not. It's kind of a chill day today. So what's this one giving me? 2020. 55.60 is probably the one that could fill pretty fast. 55, 55, and 55.60. 55, 50, and 55, 55. Yeah, I actually we got a meeting here at 10 o'clock appointment. I gotta go to the restroom here. Let me look at bear calls. What if we took bear calls up here? Is it a lot of premium? No. Okay, here we go. Here we go. No, I'm not taking bear calls. So we would ideally what we want to see, guys, is we want to see a retest to these EMAs. Do I think it's just going to plummet all the way down through these EMAs? I don't think so. We're a little too high up this Keltner channel. Retest to this EMA 5 and 10 would be glorious because we have strong support here, right here in the middle. Resistance returns support. So I don't know when we're going to get the orb. With this kind of orb, it could take a long time. That's hard to break out of an ORB that's this big. So I'm looking at 55.50 and 55.55. I think I can get the 55.50 and 55.55. If it goes to that EMA 5, it will definitely fill me for bull puts. Everything is in line for uptrend. It's okay if it hits this Keltner channel. That just means it will reject. So, I mean, I can get in early. It's not really following orb, but then again, are we really going... It's hard to get above an orb here. We could just consolidate inside this range forever. Okay, so let me try 55.50 and 55.55. I don't know if that's going to fill. Okay, let's go to SPX. Come on, load it up. My phone's having trouble loading. All right, so we're going to do that one. Bull puts 55, 50, 55, 55. I'll put this in the chat. Just miss it. Did I just miss it? Hopefully I didn't. Yeah, I might have just missed it. That was that EMA 5. It's at 12 cents. What was that 1 minute candle like? Yeah, coming down to this EMA 50 could fill us. We'll see. EMA 50 and 10. This is one of those plays where I'm thinking like we come down. Okay, it might have to go a strike up, guys. Yeah, I was looking for some pullback, but it hit that 5 and it skyrocketed up. We still don't have an orb. I just tried to get in early, guys. Let me see what other strike I can get. That freaking blows. I don't know if it hit my 20 cents, if that would have filled me. There's that EMA 5 type of bounce. Man, that sucks. I saw that coming too. Alright, so 55, 50, 55. So 55, 50. Yeah, that sucks. Let me change my strike up. Let me look at another strike here. So my other strike that I wanted was 55, 50. 55, 55. I don't think that's going to fill. Let's try the one above it. 55, 55, and 55, 60. We still don't got no orb. This was an idea of saying, hey, we could get in early. Ideally, this was an early type of play saying we have a strong uptrend on the 15, 30, and 1 hour chart. So it was one of those ideas saying, hey, we can get in early, guys. And I liked the idea, just didn't fill me. Just didn't fill me. Definitely bullish, though. get the ORB here, so I might have to switch my order up. All right, I'm gonna cancel the order. Got in that one a little too late. Canceling order. Let me try a different order. All right, so we know that one's not gonna fill probably. So let's look into. I think 55.50 and 55, or 55.55 and 55.60. Maybe that one will fill in the 20 cents. So I'm going to go up one in strike. Once we get a drop down here, we can see what it does. But I think we're going to do the ORB here. We're going to take a breakout, I think. We're going to have a breakout type pattern. So I might have to go even farther. It's fine. You know, yeah, I wanted to do an early trade, but it is fine. We still don't have the ORB. So it's still only 9.55. We're totally fine, guys. It's just, I saw this right in here. I really like this idea. Congrats who took that on futures. Made pretty good money. No fill for me. Alrighty, so we're coming down here a little bit. The limit is 10 cents on that one. What is this one? 15 cents. Or 10 cents. We need to move down. Let's change my strikes to 50. I'm looking at too many strikes. They're not predicting a big move today, guys. Alright. There's not much premium today. All right, just get the orb done and over with at this point. I just canceled the play, and I'm just waiting now. If we come back to this EMA 5 range, then I'll put in a new strike because it's not going to fill me on that other strike. I'm looking at 55, maybe 55.60. We'll see. Oh, he tried 55.60. Okay. Yeah. We'll see then. The premium's been kind of off today, guys. It's been kind of wonky.
The time is 9:57 a.m.
All right, guys. I just don't think we. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we can. This is a really hard orb to break to the lower side too. Trying to figure out. This is a weird market. I haven't seen an ORB that big. But I love the 30-minute. I love the 50-minute, and I love the 1 hour. Usually, if you hit this Keltner channel, it is extremely bullish. It just means like, hey, we're due for a slight pullback. So I mean, I don't want to do bear calls just for it to bounce big on these EMAs. So we'll see what this does, guys. Yes, SPY is the chart we use. And place credit spreads on SPX. Yeah, it's looking like 55.60 is the one that's gonna. Sometimes you gotta look at the next strike above. Like, for example, if I look at 55.65, it's saying 20 cents. All right, so right there on the bid, yeah, like that. I don't see how we can't get filled on the 55.60. The 55.60, 55.65. What is this one? Just really depends on the move down. This one is 55.55, has a bid of 5 and an ask of 25. It's pretty spread out. Bid of 10 now. Just really depends on when it goes up or down. I really think I could get that 55.65. 55.60, 55.65. Really think I can get that one. That one's sitting at 10 and 20. 10 and 25. The mid is 15 cents. I don't see why I can't get that one. Yeah, I'm going for that one. Alright, so I'm changing my order, guys, to 55.60. Let me see if I'm doing this right. Alright, so I'm changing my order to this one. We'll see if I get filled. 55.60, 55.65. No fill. We'll see. So we would need an EMA 5 hit to fill. And I gotta get going here, guys. So I'm gonna leave this in here. Might have to cancel the goes to the 10. That'll be, I kind of just want that 5. I think that 5 will fill it. What do you guys think? I think the 5 will fill it. Beautiful EMA. We got the 30-minute charts looking gorgeous. Yeah, that's right there on the 20 cents. That should fill. Yeah, that should definitely fill. I saw it go to 22. Yeah, there we go. I got filled. It's hard to be greedy on this because every time I be greedy, I get screwed and never get in the trade. All right, I'm going to hit close selected, and I'm going to go for a stop loss of 80 cents. All right. 0.80. I might not get the best strike, but this is a hard play to do. Once it gets above this orb, you know, you could lose out on getting it. Yeah, I'm ready to go. All right, guys, 0.80 is my stop loss. We'll see what we do from there, okay? I think we're making the best decision on what this orb is showing. There's not really much to do on this one. I mean, I'm playing the EMA bounces. I look at the 30-minute. I look at the 1 hour. I mean, if I go to SPX, you're looking at 55.60. Where's that at? So we're going bull puts. It doesn't give us too much wiggle room, but the premium isn't high at all, guys. 55.65, you're looking at this range here, which is near the lower Keltner channel. So, I mean, there's just not much premium today, unfortunately. So, we'll see. I'm just going to hold this one out. If it breaks the lower side of orb, I'm just going to have a 300% stop loss. A lot of the times I'm seeing, guys, we win on double orbs. So, it's almost best to hold it. Alright, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next stream. I'm going to get going. I'm in this play right now. My stop loss is 0.80, okay? Stop loss is 0.80, and I'll post you what that looks like. Make sure it looks like this for stop loss. Alrighty. What did we just get? Did we get a follow here? Thank you so much for the follow, Taz. Much love. I appreciate that. Hopefully this doesn't do bear calls on us. That'll be sick. I really hope that don't. Then, yeah, we'll take a loss, unfortunately, if it does bear calls. But I have faith in the